Mani ji, guest of honor Kanyapan sir, chief mentor Ravichandran ji, national president Murli Shankar ji, and all dignitaries, guests, ladies and gentlemen. Hi, I am from Prakash Technoplast India Private Limited. We are into manufacturing of plastic components. Luckily this is the 25th years of our company. Basically a Mumbai-based company. We started manufacture in Hosur from year 99 onwards. Basically, my father was mold maker. He started the business in Mumbai with a very humble beginning. He came from undivided India during partition, empty-handed, and started from scratch. At the age of 12, he started working because to meet the end, it was difficult at that time for them. They were literally left with nothing when they came from undivided India, from Sindh, which is now part of Pakistan. They came to India, and he was very passionate that to do something. We have lived a legacy, all Sindhi community, I can say. Even Hindujas of Ashok Leyland are from the same Sindhi community, a very big organization. We always believe that we should live to give. We should add value. At the end of the day, whatever small contribution we do, that small contribution should add value to someone. So this is about our company. My father, my brother Jitendra ji has been backbone of the organization. He takes care of manufacturing and other activity. I involve in new product development and marketing mainly. Our journey have been very strong. We have worked with automotive, two-wheelers, three-wheelers, various other commercial vehicle. Ashok Leyland is one of our major business provider, principal customer. Like in family, we have respect for our mother and father who have given us birth and given us whatever we are today. Same way, I can proudly say today whatever Prakash Technoplast is because of Ashok Leyland and their philosophies. We have learned whatever we have learned today from Ashok Leyland. Whenever I started the factory in 99, I visited Ashok Leyland. I saw the board which had philosophies and ethics of business. Like Ashok Leyland said, some of the philosophies which I recall even today, that supplier is a partner. And they truly believe, they have always handholded and respected. Word is a bond. Act local, think global. So all these things have added a lot of value for us. This is how we have been here today, whatever we are. And I thank you from my bottom of the heart. Yeah. This is our journey. Started in 99 in Hosur, then added tool manufacturing facilities, got ISO 9001 certification that time. Started other blow molding, started manufacturing bus seats for Volvo UD bus projects and other state transport buses. Added another facilities in 2020 during COVID time. Today we are having up to 2,000 ton capacity injection molding machine, IATF certification, ISO 14,000 certification, and we are planning to go for 2,700 tons machine where we will make IPs and bumpers for automotive applications and other critical part. Our major share of business comes with automotive OEM and non-automotive OEM. After seeing the COVID and other adversities, we understood long back that there is no guarantee of how market would react. So we have to be always shield our business. So we have well diversified portfolio. Today we have very strong 40 to 50 customer base, which contribute us very well. Our total business is divided very well among those customers, and we do very positive with each and every customer. Our valued customer, these are some of the OEM customers we work with. Ashok Leyland always on top, and other OEMs where we work directly with them. Then these are our automotive tier 1 through which we work with this tier 2 companies. These are some other non-automotive customers where we work with electronics, Hitachi, Delta are some of our most important customers with whom we have grown and learned a lot of value addition in the business. These are some of the components we make for automotive, especially for commercial vehicles, for Daimler, Ashok Leyland and other OEMs. We involve mainly in value addition, as we believe that value addition is the most important thing. So we always strive to add value and bring something new to our customer. because simply making build to print part doesn't give any value addition today. So we partner with them. We do a lot of VAV activities. We convert metal to plastics. Some cases we have converted rubber to plastic, and some other cases we have added a lot of value addition in the same plastic, one process to other. By doing so, we have been able to bring down the weight reduction of the vehicle, improve performance and fit and finish aspects of the product. These are some other automotive application parts for cars, two-wheeler, EV. This is manufacturing facilities we have from 100 to 2,700 ton, testing facilities, labs and all, dojo training center for various activities. We keep focus on training. Training is the most important and crucial part of our business, where we upgrade our skill time to time. These are some customer recognitions and award. Again, this appreciation given by Shri Ganesh Mani sir, last vendor meet. This is the recent Supplier Summit 2024. We have got recently Supplier Samrat Award and some other customers award from Tenneco and Daimler. Best practices. These are some of the best practices we believe today. If we have to keep upgrade our skill, if we have to keep updated in the market, these are some of the areas which helps us. One of the major thing what we believe is our employees are our family. We always respect our employees as part of our family. Once one auditor was asking me how you treat your employees. I told, we are part of family. How do you say they are part of family? I told, if God forbidden any of my employees need any treatment, any health issue, I would ensure he get the same treatment in the same hospital where my son will get admitted. We believe in this genuinely, because it is, if we don't give that kind of value addition, that kind of commitment to our team, they will never stand behind us. That is one of the reasons our attrition rate is very low. With the current industry where attrition rate is almost 20, 30, 40% case to case industry, ours is less than single digit and very lower this thing. That is one of the major things. Apart from that, we do a lot of health camps, blood donation drives, other activities. We have solar power to have a renewable energy. We are focusing by 2035, at least we should be 100% CO2 carbon emission should be reduced, and we should be 100% on renewable energy. Also the machines what we purchase, we take the latest technology machine where the carbon emission is very low. So we work very strongly on that. Plus in our organization we focus on gender equality and we give opportunity to a lot of women. Again, this we have learned from Ashok Leyland, seeing their Hosur 1 plant and Pantnagar plant where entire engine is manufactured by ladies. We thought, why not we, when such a critical component can be done, why not we do our moldings and other activities with the help of ladies, and we are growing towards that very strongly. This is another activity. We do a flight of fantasy. It is basically a CSR activity where we contribute. We have selected a couple of schools in and around Hosur where we motivate the children who are doing good and who are regularly coming well in academics and attendance and all. We select from 5 schools, each school 5 to 6 students, and these are all government schools where we take the children to any destination by flight. So who have never gone by a flight, so we want to give them some experience. They can travel by a flight along with one teacher from one class. So almost around 30 to 40 people go. My brother Shri Jitendra had this activity. Every year we are doing this very religiously, and what we see that the encouragement and the motivation the children get. 5 children go from the school, but next year there are 100 ready to go for that trip. So this builds their positive attitude towards studies and commitment. This is one of the things how we want to give back to the society. Some other, our suppliers, again, what we have learned from Ashok Leyland, we try to implement in our day-to-day activities. Supplier meets, we do supplier encouragement, training to our supplier partners, because again, suppliers are our partners. If they are strong, only we can be strong. So we work with them very closely and work on their development, their initiatives. Again, safety protocols, mock drills, other safety activities we follow. Zero accident in last 365 days, there's a consistent we follow. Yeah, this is some ESG related activities where we do a lot of plantation of trees. We have done rainwater harvesting by saving huge water, at least 5-6 months during monsoon. Luckily this year Hosur has got very good rainfall, so we are blessed that our water consumption is almost minimal, almost next to zero, where whatever water we conserve, we use it for our activities. Plus apart from that, we have very good yoga facilities. Every morning our employees, all the employees including me, we do yoga for around 30-35 minutes in our factory campus in all the units. Yeah. some Diwali celebration, again best employee awards, birthday celebration, Women's Day celebration, Quality Month, all those activities to create awareness among the people. This is another thing, we do a family meet every year. We take our employees, not only employees but their family, their parents who are unmarried, and those people who are married, their children and spouse, everyone join, around 400, 500 people. We every year go to a good resort or a destination so that the family also is connected to the company and family also is part of this thing. And believe me, this has helped us a lot. This has made our iteration almost zero. Because people want their family to work in Prakash Technoplast. The ladies want their husband to work in Prakash Technoplast. We take care of all the activities, whatever best possible. Yeah, this is the growth. Last year we have reached 154 crore. This year we are targeting 214 crores. We have a map to reach 500 crores. Then definitely I'll come back to here when we plan for an IPO. We'll ask you all to invest in my company. That is our idea. Sure, yeah. Plus we are planning to add a lot of new facilities in Mumbai and other locations in future. What we got from VK Medal? VK Medal was again a very good instrumental thing. We learned about business strategy. Already we are practicing X Matrix, but X Matrix communication to down the line. Each employee, each team member should be part of that journey. That was very important. So we learned these kind of value additions from VK Medal. Again, core elements of VK Medal, as you said, direction setting, drives. Already we were doing that, but VK Medal helped us to make it more systematic approach and learn it in a better way. So that was one of the major things. We got total employee involvement and then focus on continual improvement. Future 2025, what we are looking is we can work more strongly on daily work management, business excellence, and a lot of other manufacturing excellence area. Even we are planning to have our own design center and product development center for our V customers. Again, this is what we got questions from the thing, what next you want to do. So this triggers something in our mind, how we can upgrade, how we can improve. I really thank entire team of NIQR who has been helping us and who has visited us, audited, and I'm grateful to entire dignitaries. Thank you.